simple lang naman hinihingi natin eh. Hindi naman ito nakakasira sa tao yung... But anyway.
Yung Ochoa po. Yun po yung
Naniwala ka?
DDGO po namin siya.
That's pure hearsay.
Yun po yung
Naniwala
sabi
ka?
niya.
Naniwala ka ba?
Yun po yung sabi niya sa akin, Your Honor.
That's right. That will not stand in court. That's pure hearsay.
Banatan ako kaliwat kanan ngayon, okay lang eh. Pumasok ako sa politika eh. Hindi ka pwedeng balat sibuyas dito. Pero yung artista na maiipit sa gitna ng politika at marami pang mga kwento-kwento, alam niyo sa panahon ng Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte, kahit kailan, hindi pinag-initan ng mga artista. So, totoo lang, kahit nagkaroon ng drug war, pinangalagaan ang reputasyon ng mga artista. Sana, sa pagkakataong ngayon, isipin din ng lahat na trabaho ang pag-aartista, hindi ito racket, imahe. Nabubuhay kami sa magandang imahe. Ang trabaho pumapasok sa amin dahil sa magandang imahe. Ang pakiusap namin, huwag sanang magkaroon ng kulay politika. Huwag naman. I-save naman ninyo yung mga artista, hindi naman yan laruan. Kapag kami namatay na artista, binibidyo pa ng pulis. Ang bihira. As ilalabas sa internet, ilalabas sa social media, ano ba yun? Tao din yun, tao din kami. Sana po, konting, kahit sabi nga ni FPJ, kahit konting pagtingin. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat po, Senator Bato.
Thank you, Your Honor, Senator Robinson Padilla. By the way, I have no intention to aggravate your medical condition by inviting you here. I received an information that you would like to attend via online. So, it was okay for me if you went online. Pero,
Okay lang po, Senator Bato. Na-miss din kita eh.
thank you. Maraming salamat. Yan ang kaibigan. Walang iwanan. Ha? Kahit na hirap yung medical condition mo. Thank you. Thank you very much. I would like to yield the floor to Senator Jingo Estrada for his opening statement.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good
Thank
morning. Senator Del Rosa and my colleagues, Senator Bongo, Senator Robin Padilla. We thank the good chairperson for hearing this controversial issue concerning the alleged leakage of PIDEA of confidential information that happened in 2012. Malinaw po ang intensyon ng ating pagdinig, ang ilabas ang buong katotohanan. At malinaw din po ang nakasaad sa mga umiiral na batas. Ang pagsisiwalat at di tamang paggamit ng isang confidential na impormasyon ay illegal at may karampatang parusa. Mr. Chair, may I invite you to Section 7, letter C of Republic Act 6713, otherwise known as the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Official Employees, states that disclosure and or misuse of confidential information. Public officials and employees shall not use or divulge confidential or classified information officially known to them by reason of their office and not made available to the public, either to further their private interests or give undue advantage to anyone. Number 2, to prejudice the public interest. Napakalinaw po. Ngunit bago natin i-apply ang batas, kinakailangan muna natin ma-establish na meron na confidential na dokumento o impormasyon. At kung meron, official na dokumento ba ito ng PIDEA o fabricated lang? And the next important question that needs to be answered is, who committed the disclosure of the documents, whether they are fabricated or not? And I hope that we will be able to know what really transpired and to determine if illegal acts were committed and make responsible individuals accountable. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Your Honor. We requested, or Mr. Rockwell? Yes, sir. Request or Sarsinas?
No, sir, requested.
We requested from Rockwell Residential Towers Condominium Corporation about the ownership and occupants of the said unit, Condo Unit 46-C. But ang sagot nila ay ito. Please be advised that we are constrained from releasing personal information based on your request because of the Data Privacy Act. May we know from the National Privacy Commission if is there reasons valid?
No,
Are the reasons valid?
hello.
Yes.
No, Honorable Chair, because if
it is the request is for a process, a legal process, or that the information will be used in such a hearing as this, or in order for you to fulfill your mandate, then you should have been given access to that requested information. As long as you were able to explain or to give due notice that the requested information will be used for a legal process or a lawful process, then you should have been given that information.
This legislative inquiry,
Yes.
correct?
Yes,
And
correct.
also, there is no reason for the management of Rockwell Residential Tower Condominium Corporation, General Manager Marjorie Casiban, siya nag-spirma ng letter na ito na hindi na pwede ibigay. They should cooperate with this committee. Am I correct?
Yes, you're correct, Your Honor.
So that's according to the National Privacy Commission. You are the main implementer of the Data Privacy Act. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. So, Kumsek, sabi na, Rockwell Residential Towers, Condominium Corporation. Simple lang naman tinihingi natin eh. Hindi naman ito nakakasira sa tao yung... But anyway, I would like to go back to Jonathan Morales, Agent Jonathan Morales, about the halt of operation. Why was the planned operation halted? Ano ba ang mga dahilan na sinabi ni ASIC Gadapan? Nagkaroon ba ng proper documentation sa order na ito?
No, Your Honor. Bali, nalaman ko lang yun. Bali, nung May, bago po ako, bago ako umalis sa papuntang Ilaya, Thailand, nung magkausap kami, allegedly, ang sabi niya, CES daw po yung nagpa-hold, nung operation na yun. Yun po yung sabi lang niya sa akin.
Sinong ES?
Si Executive Secretary Ochoa po. Yun po yung
Naniwala ka?
BDGO po namin siya.
That's-
Yun po yung
Naniwala
sabi
ka?
niya.
Naniwala ka ba?
Yun po yung sabi niya sa akin, Your Honor.
That's right. That will not stand in court. That's pure hearsay.
Your Honor, yun po yung sabi nung aking...
Kaya nga, sabi nga, that is pure hearsay. That will not stand in court.
Wala naman po ako magagawa kung ano po yung sinabi niya. Basta ang sinabi niya, tigilan niyo yan. Sabi niya ganun, mapapahamak tayo dyan. Hindi,
Sino
yan.
nagsabi?
Si Asik Gadapan po.
Namatay na.
Eh, di ko po alam. Dito ko lang po kay Senator Bato nalaman po.
Hindi ginagamit mo pa yata yung patay eh.
No, Your Honor.
Hmm?
No, Your Honor. Yun po yung nangyari po nang.
Saan niya nakuha yung informasyon na yun? I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, for interrupting you.
Yes, go ahead, no problem.
Saan mo nakuha yung informasyon? Where did your superior get the information?
Na namatay po.
Involve na sinasabi ni ES na tigilan na yan.
Kay Asik Gadapan nga po. At hindi lang po yun. Ako po ay naimbitahan sa Malacanang
Nino?
ng ng Law Enforcement Security Integration Office. Ito po
When was this?
after 1 year o matapos yung humigit kumulang 1 taon. Ito po ay kung di ako nagkakamali, July 2013. Ako po ay pinatawag sa Malacanang.